Good morning, or good afternoon, should I say, on this very wet, cold Trott HQ in Bushy. First one of the day. This is a returning client with his recently acquired Yamaha MT09SP. This is one of my favorites. He bought this from Kayo probably about 6 months ago. We didn't have time to do a proper valet on it then, not that it needed one. It was pretty clean, to be honest, but he wants to make sure it's got the full ceramic treatment. So we're going to do one of our legendary full works packages on this. Mint up that exhaust, get that looking like new again. Get it all polished. We're going to do a two-stage polish on this bodywork, making sure there's no imperfections. Get those wheels polished up, and then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. So every nook and cranny is going to get airbrushed ceramic on all the motor, all your calipers, all your wheels. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get coated with the signature 4K ceramic, making sure to keep it properly protected for the years ahead. Once that's done, we will brush a little XCP clear coat on nuts and bolts that I think need that extra protection. First step, let's get a little snow foam on it, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some ceramic application. Okay, back in the studio with this stunning MT09. She's been fully washed, thoroughly blow dried, making sure to remove the moisture from any switch gear. All up underneath the seat's been thoroughly blow dried. Now time to do a little paint inspection. Painting's in pretty good shape. Got a few little spider webs here and there. We're going to do some polishing. Windscreen's looking a little sad. Got a couple of little marks which I saw on the side here. So we're going to do some machine polishing on that bodywork. Remove some of those imperfections. I'm going to mirror polish up that exhaust, and then we're going to crack on with a little ceramic application. Yeah, like I said, the paintwork's in pretty good shape. Just a few little marks. Anyways, let's crack on with some polishing, and then we'll get it up in the air and do that exhaust. Back on this MT09SP, we've done a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, including the windscreen. Managed to get rid of most all those imperfections. Everything has then been panel prepped. That is an alcohol mixture to remove any waxes or contaminants left behind. Now it's time to apply the special sauce. Signature 4K, Signature Pro. This is a 5-year protectant. So we're going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny of this bike. All your wheels, I will do 2 coats on these wheels. We'll apply it with the airbrush to begin with, all the inner of the disc, all the wheel, and then I'll apply a second coat by hand. This, you know, they take a lot of wear and tear, these wheels, and these are stunning wheels. These lovely Yamaha blue magnesium wheels. So these are going to get 2 coats. Got a bit of heat going, making sure it all adheres and cures properly. So let's get cracking, get 1 coat on, and then we'll finish up. We'll apply by hand to all the bodywork. There you go. This stunning MT09SP has now been fully trotted. Oh my God. Look at the freaking gloss on that paintwork. Signature 4K ceramic, absolutely knocking it out of the park. This has had one of our full works packages. I'm sure you've been following along. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been coated with the Signature 4K Signature Pro. We use the Grime on all the plastics. That is a ceramic infused protectorant. Last step was putting a little XCP clear coat on all the banjo bolts and any nuts and bolts that I think need that little bit of extra protection. But look at the gloss, absolutely dripping. Not quite as rewarding doing a bike like this that's pretty clean to begin with. The rewarding part is when it comes back year after year and it still looks like new. This thing is gleaming. 2 coats of ceramic on those stunning Yamaha blue wheels. The motor's all been misted. All the Olin suspension has all had a nice airbrushing of the ceramic. Chains all been serviced. Little extra XCP on the sprocket nuts and these little chain rings. That always corrodes. This thing is absolutely gleaming. Don't let your bike suffer with the English weather. Get it properly protected. One of our full works packages, this one here, full ceramic protection. Keep it looking this way for years to come. Give us a buzz. We'll do a satisfaction guarantee service. 079 66 249 963.